Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features, a fair price, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at 2016 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, FWD, privacy glass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.